Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. I hope everybody is keeping safe and well. This is going to be a relatively short vlog, but what I wanted to do was basically bring you up to speed, let you guys know how I've been getting on with the Colapz Aqua Mate and the Waste Mate. I mean, I've had these now for well, since before Easter. I first started using them at Easter, and I probably, if you add all the time together, probably used them for 3 weeks consistently. But before I go into it, what I want to say is I've actually had a lot of stick from you guys, and rightly so. You know, I get it, I understand it. You know, you guys are going, no, what are you doing that for? You can't reinvent the Aqua, and I absolutely get it. Don't get me wrong, guys, I absolutely get it. But I always like trying out new things. I want to try new things out, and for us as well, the compactness, when they pack down, when they get small, when you pack them away in the bag, is ideal for us, particularly when we're traveling to France, because we like to keep as much space, usable space in the caravan as possible. Just to let you know as well, I haven't been paid to say this. I haven't been paid by Colapz in any way, shape or form. But in full openness, what I did receive is I did receive one of the items free of charge. So I've only paid for one. So I paid the 100, and it was the show price, I think, 149.99 for one, and I got the other one free. And I do get it on price, guys. It is an expensive item, and there are people that have had problems and had issues out there, and you guys have been going on about the state of the trolley, and the trolley's going to fall apart and all that sort of stuff. It's weird, I'm almost wishing something would go wrong so I can let you guys know that something's going to go wrong or something's gone wrong with them. I hate to say this, I love them, I've had a great time with them. They are really good, and they work really well for me. I do have my concerns over the trolley. The trolley does seem a bit flimsy, but it is standing up and it is working well. There are a few little kind of, what would you call them, niche things that you need to know about the trolley, particularly when you're folding it down and things like that. You do need to depress the little button to fold it down. Don't force it down, because that'll weaken it, that sort of stuff. You know, the wheels are and have been a little bit thin, but you know, on this grass, it's been absolutely fine. It's been just as easy as pulling an Aqua roll along. It's been easy to use. What else should I say about them? Would I like to see some improvements? Oh, sorry, there's an aeroplane going overhead, a little light plane. I reckon if Darcy May waves at me, he'll probably wave his wings. Let me wave at the aeroplane. Can he see me? I don't know, did you see him? Let's let him go by. What was I saying? Could they make some improvements? With the bag system itself, I don't think so. I think the bag system works well. Are there issues around the trolley? It does feel flimsy. Like I say, I've had no issues with the trolley whatsoever. The trolley's been fine. Will it fail on me? Who knows? It might fail. Like I said, I'm almost waiting for something to go wrong so I can report to you guys and say something's gone wrong. Could they do something about the wheels? I do think that the wheels could be a little bit fatter. I think if wider, more chunkier wheels certainly would help. I don't like the cotter pin way of kind of connecting them. Certainly don't like that. That leaves a bit flimsy, and I can see us losing some. That's probably why they give you a couple of spare ones. And from a manufacturing point of view, it doesn't seem great. You know, you look at the state of the welds and those sorts of things, they don't look particularly great, but it hasn't let me down. I know there's others out there where it has failed on them. You know, is it because they're not using it right? But it should be built for rough terrain, that sort of stuff. But for me, it's been working fine. It's been working absolutely fine so far. Here's the waste. The waste one's exactly the same. There's my new waste pipe system. Look, that's working well. But yeah, I haven't used the waste pipe because we're just going off into the hedge because there's nowhere to empty the grey waste. But do I like them? Yes. Are they working well? Yes, I almost hate to say it that they're working well, but I do get where you guys are coming from. You know, the Aqua roll has been working well for years. People have got Aqua rolls that they've had 20, 30 years and still working fine. But again, I guess it's one of those, if you want the space, we want the space, particularly when we're traveling. We don't want to have to store them in the back of the car. We don't want to have to store them in the toilet or in the caravan. We like the fact that we can pack them down really, really compact. One of the other criticisms, that I've seen or I've got, is that when you're on a service pitch that you can't use the flow valve system, or the, what do you call it, the ball cock system. I haven't got one of those, otherwise I would show you. But we do, when we go fully serviced, we just connect straight into the van with the pressure reducer on it, with a system that just goes straight into the side of the van. And again, I've had criticism on that one before, because people say, oh, your van's going to flood and all those sorts of stuff. I'm not saying that vans don't flood, but you know, sensible use. We always turn it off at night. We always basically turn the tap off when we go out, so there's no issues, but we've never had a problem with that. But unfortunately, it means I don't have one of the systems to be able to demonstrate for you, one with a float valve on the side of the Aquamate. I'm going to sneeze. No, I'm okay. But you can actually connect one. You can connect one of those float valves. Basically, these connections here on the wastemate are exactly the same as you would get on your Aqua roll. It's the same size, same type, everything else. So all you would do is you would take that out and you would put in that flow system, the ball cock that you would use when you're on a fully serviced pitch. So it is possible to use one of those with this trolley. But it's, you know, there's a bit of splashy water. It's lasted up well. It's been in the direct sunlight. You know, it's had the wastewater in here. This really sounds like I'm being paid by Colapz, doesn't it, to say how great these products is, because I know there are people out there that are having issues with it. I'm not one of them. You know, is it aesthetically pleasing? I like it. Claire thinks it looks like an old lady's shopping trolley, but you know, I like it. I like the compactness and everything else. But guys, I'm not trying to influence you to buy one or anything like that. I just want to give my feedback and how I found them, and how I've been getting on with them. And should I have any issues with them, if anything goes wrong, if I have any problems, I will come back and let you guys know. And if you look back over previous vlogs, I have had issues with the previous Colapz water system, you know, with deliveries, with the product breaking, all those sorts of stuff. So I have, and I'm not afraid to say so as well. If there's a problem with something I've had from Colapz, I will tell you guys and I will let you know. Anyway, I'm going to leave this one here. What I'd like to say is thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell and we shall notify you when we put out another vlog. And just guys, so you know, I am not being paid by Colapz in any way, shape or form. And I hate to be putting it out there because I know I'm going to get criticism from some of you. And rightly so, you know, send it my way. I don't mind it, but I am enjoying it. I like them. Right, we'll see you very, very soon.